Early on a Sunday morning, I arrive at the Banyuwangi airport located in Belimbing, Sari. Opened in 2010, it is Indonesia's first green airport. The terminal is designed with natural ventilation instead of having air conditioning. To keep the air flowing, walls were replaced by wooden slats. Pools of water provide the security barrier between the land side and the air side. Local and natural products were also used throughout the building. My excitement of passing through this terminal is short-lived, as this is the domestic terminal, and I'm apparently at the wrong one. The international terminal is a short walk away. It's a small building about the size of a large house. Welcome to Airborne with Alan. Today I'm flying Citilink from Banyuwangi to Kuala Lumpur, and this flight used to be 3 or 4 times a week. It's been cut down to just 1 flight a week on Sundays, which really is a pity because this is a great and easy way to fly into Banyuwangi and moving on to Bali. But anyway, check-in was simple. It's in a separate domestic terminal. The check-in area is about as big as my apartment, just 2 counters, but check-in was so smooth. The check-in agent, as usual, was so polite. I managed to change my seat to an exit row seat for some extra payment. Overall, I would give check-in 5 stars. The 2 desks that you see is the entire check-in area. Behind the metal detector are the 2 immigration counters. I noticed that my exit stamp in my passport was from the Surabaya Juanda airport, which means as this is the only flight a week, the immigration staff come all the way from Surabaya just to process this flight and the return flight later. The departure area, as you can see, is really small and doesn't have enough seats for a fully loaded A320. So actually most passengers sit outside in the garden and only come in just before departure time. We were transported by bus to the aircraft. Selamat pagi, 14A.
Silakan Pak.
Terima kasih. Selamat pagi. User from electronic emergency finding interference. My exit row seat had good legroom. The leather seats were clean and overall, the cabin was in excellent condition.
The normal row seats were the usual low-cost seat pitch. I give the cabin 4 stars.
Your cabin crew in charge, we'll always remember our ability to have you on board. Please fasten your seatbelt, adjust your seat back into the upright position, lock and lock your table, open your window shade and switch off your electronic devices. Thank you and wish you an enjoyable flight.
I am truly impressed seeing the ground crew saying goodbye and waving to us. This is a great touch from Citilink. The crew on this flight were not as impressive as on my previous Citilink flight. They were not engaging. After distributing the meals, they just disappeared into the forward galley for a long time before they once again reappeared just to clear the meal trays and then disappeared again. So I give this set of crew only 4 stars. The complimentary meal was kway teow or flat rice noodles with 3 thin slices of chicken and a very peppery sauce, plus some fruits and mineral water. No hot drinks were offered or were available for purchase. So I give this meal just 3 stars. Honestly, I really want to give them a higher rating, but I just found this flight a bit disappointing after the great experience I had last year. I was also irritated that after paying extra for the exit row seats, the crew allowed other passengers to just move to those seats once on board. To be fair to passengers like me who paid extra, they should not allow this. So I give this flight just 4 stars.
It has been a pleasure looking after you and we hope to see you soon. Thank you for flying Citilink Indonesia, the 4-star Location Line by Skytrax. Burung merpati, burung cendrawasih, bulunya indah berwarna-warni. Dari hati kami ucapkan terima kasih dan sampai kita berjumpa lagi.
We landed earlier in Kuala Lumpur, but that didn't make much difference when the pilot made a turn into the wrong apron before stopping for a while and then taxiing back out, heading then to the correct parking spot. So just a little extra tour of the parking area of KLIA. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget like, share and subscribe.